from that 245 area. Okay, we're still holding a level right here. Okay, we're still resisting. If we can break 245, 247, then guess what? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. Well, today we're going to be talking about the market. Of course, we're also going to be talking about what the market is doing, what I'm expecting the market to do this coming week. Though we're really pushing to the upside because of why? Because of technology. Okay, so if you look at this chart, you now see that technology is in the green, commercial, consumer cyclical as well as energy is in the green. However, looking at 1 week performance, energy is red, and of course we have our technology and communication services in the green side. Okay, so we're going to be taking our stocks off of Finbase, and we're going to be looking for those dividend stocks and as well as high growth stocks. So you may be able to pick one or two here on this analysis that we got going on. Now looking at the market, SPY, what am I expecting SPY to do? This is the zone. We're really broken out of the 52 weeks, right? And we're trying not to look back. However, this area is going to act as a support. Right here is our support. So we're actually extended away from the 20 exponential moving average. So I'll be looking for some form of a pullback in the market, maybe year end profit taking, of course, but then just be rest assured and make sure you got your risk set. Taking a look at Snap. Okay, Snap is another name here that I've been watching for a couple of days now, and we've just been pushing to the upside. Now for your support is going to be $13.50 or $14. That is going to be the support. We are really extended on Snap. So next stock we're going to be looking at, we're going to be talking about Tesla. Why do I have Tesla? Tesla actually hasn't done anything yet. Okay, it hasn't moved from that 245 area. Okay, we're still holding a level right here. Okay, we're still resisting. If we can break 245, 247, then guess what? We're gonna really break this downtrend to the upside. Keep an eye out. Tesla is very strong when it comes to breakout. Okay, SQ, which is aka block. Oh man, look at this. We've been pushing ever since the beginning of November, and guess what? We haven't looked back yet. Okay, so now 65 is that support. Okay, we are extended, fully extended in terms of RSI. So if for whatever reason you decide to pick this up, just know that we're extended on that. RILY, we are at this resistance zone right now with support at the 20 exponential moving average. So that is our support, 23.75, 23.70 area. So keep an eye out for this. If we break this $27 spot, then we'll continue to push right into 50 exponential moving average. Next stock is going to be SPHR. This one right now we sold right off into $27. That is our support, right? Looking back, looking at late June. Okay, so now we're back into the 200 moving average. I think I'll be expecting more to the upside, though we're really extended per week, but RSI is still good for the move. Visa, okay, Visa, we have a V right here. We're looking at a flag, so we're really flagging right here for that continuation to the upside. So keep an eye out there. VIC, we're looking for that bounce off this area. We got that bounce. Next spot is going to be $85. Okay, so Marriott is also that name to watch. XOM, we're looking at a bouncing off this $98 spot. That is our support on this name for the continuation to the upside. So keep an eye out, okay, on that name. Roku, ROKU. We are also at this point, we need that flag to break 105. If we can break that spot, then we are good there, right? So keep an eye out. Also, before then, let's take a look at the economic calendar before we continue. Right now, we're looking at Tuesday consumer price index, okay, which is our core CPI, and followed by Wednesday we have core PPI, which is our producer price index, and as well Thursday we have initial jobless claim, okay, and then Empire State Manufacturing Survey. So it's gonna be really pretty decent week to shake the market in one direction or another. All right, so let's continue. Remember that this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now the next stock is going to be PZZA. PZZA at this point in time, even DPZ's also, you know, doing good. Domino's is also doing good. This is Papa John's, so I'll be expecting a break off this resistance, 72 break, and then 73 is that next spot. Next is gonna be Palantir. Okay, Palantir, we're looking at a return back to breakout spot. Okay, so our support is going to be $17 for the continuation back to the upside, but for now keep an eye out because that is going to act as a support on Palantir. PayPal as well, we're looking at that $60. If $60 break, then we can continue to push to the upside. 62 and then 65 to come. AMD right now, you know, 125 broken, never look back, right beyond 130. Right now we're really this candle is kind of an extended candle, but we'll see if this same action comes into play. ANET as well, ANET, we're looking at 225, 230 in the next on this next move, so keep an eye out. Amazon as well, we're looking at a break of 150. That is the resistance. If we can break 150, 160 is going to come easily. Another name to keep an eye out in the next year or so is BYND. So we can break $10. I think we can continue to push right into 12 on this name. Just keep an eye out. I think it's gonna come in strong. Overall, COIN, this is Coinbase. Coinbase is extended on RSI also in terms of price, but however 150 is the resistance on that name. Apple, we're looking at Apple at a resistance here. Possibly we may get 197.50 or even $200 on Apple, and then, you know, we can get that return, but also pending market action this coming week. Ford is another name. Ford right now we're looking at this downtrend break. If we can break this downtrend, then the 200 moving average is that next spot to get. So that is going to be $12. Overall, looking at DocuSign, people are still signing online, so we're looking at a resistance at 200 moving average. Guys, the remaining chart, I'm going to post them up on my stock tweet and Twitter account, X account. Have a fantastic one, guys. An amazing weekend. Peace and love, guys. Bye-bye.